Hi, it's Amy with WTI. I'm sure you'd agree that having your food on a beautiful plate can make a meal so much more enjoyable. These gorgeous, charming Arctic white dinner plates by TAUCI exceeded my expectations. The instant I pulled them out of the packaging, I was in love with them. Each one has their own individual pattern. I'm obsessed with the raised embossing design, the tactile feel of it, and it gives such a warm, cozy feel to the dinner table setting. I couldn't resist to add more from their collection. These are a beautiful, high quality ceramic, and they have this coating that is not only protective, but it has a beautiful shine to it. They're lead and PBA free, oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe, and heat resistant up to 500 degrees. I was curious how they would clean up with the raised patterns, but they came clean very easily. They stack nice and neat in our cabinet. These plates are so gorgeous. I wish I had glass doors so I could see them on display. Anything in this Latasi collection would make a great housewarming gift, a wedding present, or a just because gift for that special person in your life. They are super eye-catchy, inviting, elegant. I can't state enough how much I love these. And that's my point of view.